For today's video ay magluluto tayo ng beef and mushroom, the simplest way. First, maggisa tayo ng minced garlic and let it brown. At this point, nag-brown na ang ating garlic, so hanguin natin para hindi masunog. In the same pan, maglagay tayo ng butter. At this moment, ilagay na natin ang ating marinated beef. Nga pala guys, minarinate ko to sa paminta, oyster sauce, Worcestershire sauce, at liquid seasoning with a bit of salt and sugar. And for our last ingredients ay ang bottom mushroom. Slice na guys, in can para malambot na. Para hindi ma-overcook ang ating beef. Let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes and then there you have it. Your very own beef and mushroom. Best served with rice and garlic on top.